Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Our today's topic is from 4th chapter of OCM subject Business Services. As we know, there are various business services such as banking, insurance, transport, communication, etc. Today we are going to learn banking services. In that, we'll study functions of commercial bank. Commercial bank perform two major functions, primary function and secondary function. Primary functions are accepting deposits and advancing loan. Secondary functions are agency function and utility function. Let's study primary functions of commercial bank. The most important activity of commercial bank is to accept deposits from the public. Commercial bank collects deposits from public, individuals and organization also. Any person who wish to deposit money in the bank is free to do that, as we all are having our accounts in the bank. Now, this deposit is classified as two types, time deposit and demand deposit. Time deposit is of two types, fixed deposit and recurring deposit. And demand deposit is of two types, saving account and current account. As you can see here, types of deposits, it is classified in two types, demand deposits and time deposits. Now what are the demand deposits? Again, it is classified as current account deposits and saving account deposits. You have heard of these accounts. Everyone is having either current account or saving account. Now time deposit is classified as recurring deposits and fixed deposits. Let's study these deposits in detail. First one is time deposit, which is classified as fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Fixed deposit, which is also called as FD. It is an account like any other account, but point to be noted is that in this account fixed amount is kept or deposited in the bank for a fixed period of time. Money can be withdrawn after maturity date. If account holder wants to withdraw money before maturity date, then bank will reduce the interest. Fixed deposit provides a high rate of interest compared to any other deposit. When such account is opened by anyone, a fixed deposit receipt or fixed deposit receipt FDR is issued by the bank. Against this receipt, even loan can be taken from the bank. So in short, what are the features of fixed deposit account? There is a time period. It is open for a fixed period of time. No need of introduction, anyone can open it. Loan facility is availed through such account and rate of interest is high. Recurring deposit. Second type of time deposit is recurring deposit. This type of deposit is done by people who have regular fixed income. Salaried people usually get fixed salaries every month, so they can make their choice how much to spend and how much to save. In this mode of deposit, certain fixed sum of money is deposited into the account every month, similar to fixed deposit. money cannot be withdrawn by the depositor before maturity period. Depositor gets good rate of interest in such deposit as bank provide passbook to show details of all transactions. About two deposits, that is fixed deposit and recurring deposit, are called as time deposits because these two deposits are done for fixed period of time. Fixed deposit can be placed for minimum period of 7 days and maximum of 10 years. Depositor can choose the period for which they wish to keep fixed deposit account. Let's have a look what is demand deposit. Demand deposits are those deposits which are repaid on demand. People deposit their money in the bank as a saving, but whenever any need arises, they are totally free to withdraw money from the bank. There is no restriction on withdrawal. There is no maturity period like time deposits. For withdrawal of money, some instruments are required like slips, checks, ATM cards, online transaction. These all are different instruments which can be used to withdraw money. Demand deposits are of two types. One is current account, another is saving account. So there are two types of demand deposit, current account and saving account. In time deposit also there are two types, fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Now here in demand deposit, current account and saving account. Let's start with saving account. This account is to encourage habit of savings among people, mostly operated by fixed income or salaried people. The purpose of this account is to do maximum saving. Account holder is restricted to withdraw money. There are withdrawal limits. Various other facilities are provided to account holders such as passbook facility, balance on SMS, etc. Whenever there will be excess of amount in saving account, automatically it gets transferred to fixed deposit or recurring deposit if the customer wish then. Current account. Current account is usually opened by business firms and other commercial organizations. As these accounts are operated by businessmen, there is no restriction on deposits and withdrawals. It means the current account holder, they are free to withdraw money or to deposit money as many times they want. Current account holders gets overdraft facility. Now what is this overdraft facility? That is credit facility. Like current account holder is allowed to withdraw more than amount in their account. In return, bank charges interest on this overdraft facility. So till now we studied types of deposits. In demand deposits, there are two types, saving account and current account. Overall, we studied types of deposits. There are two types, demand deposits and time deposits. Demand deposits, why it is called as demand deposits? Because in such deposit, whenever consumer wants their money, whenever they want to withdraw, they are free. So they can demand their deposits as they wish. Bank has to pay them their money as per their demand, and that's why it is called as demand deposits, which is of two types, current account and saving account. Another type is time deposits. Now why it is called as time deposits? Because here in such deposits there are fixed period of time. Such accounts are open for a certain period, specific period of time. They are recurring deposits and fixed deposits. These accounts have fixed maturity period. Before maturity period, money cannot be withdrawn from the bank. If they withdraw money before the maturity period, interest rate will be reduced. And that's why these types of deposits are called as time deposits. It has specific time period. Demand deposits and time deposits, I think it's clear to everyone. Now we'll study granting loans and advances. This is also part of primary function of commercial bank. What are the primary function? Accepting deposits and advancing loan. Now what is granting loans and advances? Now here we'll study how bank is granting loans and advances to the public. In earlier topic we studied how banks are accepting deposits from the public, and now in this topic we'll study how banks are giving loans and advances to the public. Okay. Bank receives money through its customers, and out of these money, these deposits, commercial bank grants loans and advances to the public. Loan is granted for a specific time period. So there are different types of loans: long-term loan, medium-term loan and short-term loan. Short-term loans for a period of 1 year to meet working capital. Medium-term loans, such loans are given for a period of 1 to 5 years for fixed capital requirements of the business firm or any organization. Long-term loans are given for 5 years or more than that to meet long-term capital requirement of the borrower. So in this way, loans are given in this way: short-term 1 year or less, medium-term 1 to 5 years, and long-term loan for the period of 5 years or more than 5 years. Now what are the advances? An advance is a credit facility given by the bank to its customer. Now what are the types of advances? There are different types of advances which are given by the bank to the public or to their customer, to their clients, such as cash credit, overdraft facility and discounting of bills. In addition to the primary function, bank performs number of other functions which are called as secondary function of commercial bank. They are agency function and general utility functions. So what are the secondary function? There are two types of secondary function: agency function and another is general utility function. Agency functions. First one is periodic collection and payments. Bank collects checks, drafts, promissory notes, dividends, interest, etc. on behalf of customer and make payments of rent, insurance, premium, subscription, etc. Bank makes such payments by debiting the customer's account. Bank charges quarterly or annually service charge for such services. Next function is portfolio management or portfolio investment. It is an art of selecting a group of investment. Now what happened? The large commercial banks, what they do? They purchase and sell securities such as shares, bonds, debentures, etc. Why they are purchasing all this? They are purchasing all these securities on behalf of their customers. So they are giving services, agency service to their customers. Next is fund transfer. Fund transfer is done from one branch to another branch. Next is dematerialization. Now what is this dematerialization? Now see, sometimes what happen, some clients they want to buy and sell securities in an electronic format. So for them, dematerialization facility is available in commercial bank. Forex transaction, that is foreign exchange transaction. A bank may purchase or sell foreign exchange on behalf of its clients. Sometimes clients need it for overseas transaction. Now let's study utility function. Utility functions are those functions which provides benefits and facilities to its clients, such as issue of drafts and checks, locker facility for safe custody of gold or any important documents, etc. Project reports are prepared by the bank. Gifts and checks are also given by the bank to its account holders. Underwriting services are also done. So here bank agrees to take up the unsubscribed portion of the securities. And last utility function is gold related services. This is also done by commercial bank. Now what is this gold related services? In this, banks are buying and selling gold or gold ornaments from customers, and in this way banks are providing various types of services to its customer. So thanks for watching.